Let's look at how to pronounce Dour, Tour, and Tower. So these two look the same, but they don't sound the same. Dour actually sounds the same as tower. So when I'm saying dour, I have the ow diphthong and then the sound. And so even though there's no written W in dour, that w happens as I link between the ow, which is rounded, and the which is unrounded. So I would rewrite that like dour, and that might make more sense to the brain. Obviously, this confusion comes from how it's spelled, but yes, tower and dour have the same sounds with a different initial sound. Versus tour, again, in tour, we have the oo sound, and it'll be more even tenser and more rounded, and it also has that hidden w sound. So tour, I have the vowel-to-vowel linking between the oo and the so on tour. There are some places and some people that will say this more like on tour. They'll use more of an or there, but for me and for a lot of native speakers, it's actually a full or tour. Just like before when we were talking about Pore. For that one, I do change that to Pore, and other people say Pore. So tour and Pore, if you're an oor person, those two are the same. Yeah, totally confusing on the spelling. Sounds that aren't written in there, words that are spelled the same but don't sound the same. Unfortunately, even though there are some good patterns you can rely on and use to understand English pronunciation, there's a lot of exceptions to the rules. So that's why I always like to rewrite words with alternate spelling to show you the IPA so you can really hone in on what the sounds are in a word, visualize it in a new way to help you remember the correct pronunciation.